Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play two-player games on your Nintendo Switch 2. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the home screen and open System Settings. Scroll towards bottom in the left side menu and select Controllers and Accessories, then choose Change Grip, Order. Next, detach both Joy-Con controllers from the console by pressing the Release button on the back of each controller. Once they're detached, pick up each Joy-Con and hold them sideways with the buttons facing up. Press and hold the SL and SR buttons at the same time until the controller connects to your Nintendo Switch 2. When both Joy-Cons appear on the screen, they're ready to use as individual controllers. Finally, press the Confirm button on one of the controllers to continue back to the home screen. Launch any game that supports local multiplayer, and both players can start playing on the same Nintendo Switch 2 using one Joy-Con each. So that's basically how you can play two-player games on your Nintendo Switch 2. That's it for this video. Thanks!